Welcome. Today we're breaking down the basics of networking. What exactly is a network and how does it work? Let's make it super simple. A network is just a group of devices connected together so they can share data. It could be 2 devices or thousands. You already use a network every day. At home, your phone, laptop, TV, and tablet all connect to one Wi-Fi router. That's your home network. Networks help us communicate, share files, stream videos, play games, and access the internet. They're behind almost everything we do online. A typical network includes computers, smartphones, routers, switches, and even servers. Each device plays a different role in communication. Devices connect in 2 main ways, through cables, like Ethernet, or wirelessly, through Wi-Fi. Both allow data to travel from device to device. A network can be small, like your home. The internet is just a giant collection of millions of networks connected together. There are different types of networks. LANs for small areas, WANs for long distances, PANs for personal devices, and MANs for bigger citywide connections. A LAN, or local area network, is the network inside a building, like your home, school, or office. It's fast and limited to a small area. A WAN, or wide area network, connects networks across long distances. The biggest example of a WAN is the internet itself. A server is a powerful computer that provides services like storing files, hosting websites, or delivering apps. It serves information to other devices. Client devices, like your phone or laptop, request information. Servers respond and send the information back. That's how most online systems work. When you send data, it breaks into small pieces called packets. These packets travel through the network and reassemble at the destination. The router directs data between your home devices and the internet. Think of it like the traffic controller of your network. A switch connects multiple devices inside the same network so they can talk directly to each other. It's mostly used in offices and businesses. Here's what happens when you send a message. Your phone sends the data to the router, then to your internet provider, then across the internet until it reaches the other person. To recap, a network connects devices. LANs cover small areas, WANs cover large areas, routers guide the traffic, switches connect devices, and data travels in packets. That's networking made easy.